They are only imagined by you. You are creating a world in your own mind about it. Number 3, most importantly, the idea is not to avoid it. Don't fight it. Don't try to read more about it and try to find what's wrong with you. I'll even go further than that, and this is what the scholars said. If they are intrusive thoughts about your God, about Allah, about Jannah, about hellfire, about the Quran, so long as you are uncomfortable with it, it means your iman is okay. This the shaitan's whispers, and he's just come into your courtyard. Don't let the thief in. How do you deal with him? So long as your heart is safe, don't even give him attention. Don't even say, I've seen it sometimes in salah, some people, they have this obsessive compulsive thought. Instead of ignoring it, they try to deal with it with good heart, but that's the wrong approach. So they hear a hadith which says, if you get whispers, turn to your left and spit 3 times. And say, Astaghfirullah al-Azim 3 times. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem 3 times. That is true, but that's just once in a while. Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam didn't say do it all the time. It's just once in a while. If it gets really bad, once in a while. But sometimes I see brothers, every rak'ah, maybe 4 or 5 times, they turn. I remember one brother, I stopped standing next to him. I said to him, Habib, I've already made wudu, I don't need more of your spit on me. So this becomes a problem. Don't even say Astaghfirullah al-Azim. Why? Because you are giving them importance. The whole idea is you do not give it importance. I'll give you a very simple example. Imagine it like an annoying person that's standing in front of you, and that annoying person cannot stop talking. He cannot shut up. Talk every time you go, and you cannot get rid of this person. It's just a yapper. Yaps and yaps. If you respond, they'll continue yapping. If you reply, they'll talk more. If you tell them to stop, they'll keep going. If you give them attention, they'll be happy. How do you get rid of that yapper? Focus on the task that's important to you now.